Umaga. Jumerica! Magandang umaga sa inyo mga inday, mga dudong. Isang mainit na umaga. Patay. Isang magandang umaga sa amin. Maganda yung weather natin ngayon, day. But it's super mainit siya, day. Sobrang init na ano na ngayon. Pang 3 days na ngayon, day, na sobrang init dito sa amin. But it's okay. Ayun ko dahil mas gusto ko yung init kaysa winter. So ngayon mga inday, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung plants ng anak ko dahil yung sunflower niya tumubo na talaga. And then, tingnan nyo dahil malaki na yung dahon. Malaki na yung dahon ng plants niya. Sa wakas, hindi na binunot ni Bibi Kano. Kasi yung first, binunot ni Bibi Kano. And then ngayon mga inday, tulog pa yung bata-batuta natin. And nag-i-edit din ako ng ating videos para i-post natin dito dahil sa YouTube dahil para ma-life update natin dito sa simpleng buhay dito sa Amerika dahil. Simple lang talaga yung buhay namin dito dahil, but masaya. And I'm thankful that I have a good husband. You know, like there's no perfect, but all I can say, I am so blessed having my husband, having him in our life. So while ini-enjoy ko yung katahimikan ng aking time, while tulog pa yung bata natin, and mayroon akong coffee tayo, mga coffee lover dyan. Coffee tayo, kape sa umaga. Today na mga inday ang ating mahabang biyahe. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, my love, kailangan ko uminom ng parang bunamin sa atin dyan, day ba, para sa travel, day. And then, para hindi ka masyadong, basta long travel, day, para hindi ka masyadong pagod. Nakakatulong talaga yung bunamin sa sa biyahe. And then kailangan ko pang naka-ready na yung mga kailangan na ilagay sa luggage. But may mga kailangan pa akong ilagay. So for now, ini-enjoy ko muna yung kape and then nag-i-edit nga tayo sa ating cellphone mga inday. So i-update ko na lang kayo mamaya mga inday. Hello mga inday, nandito tayo sa taas ngayon mga inday. Mag-i-impake na tayo mga inday. But before that, ito yung ating dadalhin na luggage. And may kasi yan day, may mga documents day ba. So kailangan kong kunin yung mga documents and then ilagay ko muna doon sa misa. Lagay ko kayo dyan day. Kailangan ko kunin kung ano yung mga laman nito dahil. Uy, nasaan nila? Yeah. Ang daming. Hoy. Ito, ang daming documents dahil. Dito ko kasi nilagay lahat ba? Hala, bakit may may mga rice dito, may rice. Iwan ko kung bakit may rice dito. And then lagay natin to, I think dito na lang sa dito sa bed ba? Kasi ibabalik ko man ibabalik ko din to pag bumalik na kami dito sa bahay. Ibabalik ko din dito. So dito ko na lang ilalagay yung mga passport. Diyan yung passport. Yung passport namin lahat nandito. Nandito yung passport namin lahat. Taran! Passport! Ay nako. Hala, may ganito pala ako, wala na. Out of stock. Ay, ang daming documents ko today. May kalo pa nga ni Bibi Kano. Alam, baka may bunamin kami dito, day. Bunamin. Tingnan ko nga, baka may bunamin kami. What is this lang? Walang bunamin. Hoy. Baka may bunamin kami dito sa ano. Ay, dito bunamin. So it is vitamins. Ilagay ko muna dito and then yun nga. Ibabalik ko lang ibabalik ko kapag ano na. Kapag nandito na kami sa bahay. Dalhin ko na lang ito for just in case. Ang daming documents. Ang daming documents. Ilagay ko kayo dito dahil kasi nandyan yung ating, ay dito yata ang dapat. Nandito yung ating mga dapat dalhin. So, sa asawa.
Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. In this sweet air I sing softly. The world is bright. La 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 la. Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. In this sweet air I sing softly. The world is bright. La 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 la. The sun is setting low, painting skies in gold.
So, okay na to dahil naka-ready na to. Okay na to. Ito na yung mga, ano lang kami doon dahil 3 days and 2 nights. Ito yung susuotin and then ito yung aking dadalhin mga inday. So, excited na kaming lahat sa pagbiyahe mga inday. Mga inday, ready na ako dahil. But before that, ibaba ko muna itong susuotin namin mamaya. And then, babalikan ko yung bagahe dahil yung maleta dahil. Babalikan ko, hindi ko madalain one time mga inday. Nak, yung sounds nak, pakiload nak, nag-video ko nak. Ang volume, i-low volume kay nag-video ko dire Babalikan natin yung isa day. Ay, kailangan ko pala magdala. Pasensya na kayo day. Medyo madilim talaga dito sa taas. I-off natin yung light dito. And then, magdala pa pala ako ng day, yung gatas ni Bibi Kano day. Ay, hindi na yata ako magdala ng bibir. Yung bang day ba? Milk bottle. Gatas na lang yung dadalhin ko. Nandito na yung bagahe day. Nagsaguyod. Medyo may kabigatan, but carry lang. Kaya lang yung ating bagahe. Ay, nako. Ilagay ko lang dito. And then, ilagay ko na din itong i-on ko muna yung light dito day. Ay, mali. Okay, naka-on na yung light dito. And then, dadalhin ko din itong what we call that karaoke. Ilagay ko muna kayo dito day. Kukunin natin yung karaoke machine natin. Lilinisin ko muna itong microphone. Ay, si Asher kasi ang may kasalanan na nito. Ba't Bibi Kano? Sabi ng kapatid ko, magka-karaoke daw kami dahil. So, dadalhin ko itong karaoke para, i-ready ko na ba? Para hindi malimutan. And then, ang charger, nandito na yung charger. But, lilinisan ko muna itong microphone. Yung isa dahil hindi ko talaga mahanap-hanap ng isang microphone. Dalawa yung microphone nito dahil tingnan ko kung saan nalagay, kung saan ko ba nalagay. Yung isang microphone. I-on ko muna ng light dito kasi, yun nga, medyo madilim dahil. Lilinisan ko muna to. Magbasa tayo ng kaunting basa sarag ba. Kasi yung nga, ay naku, si Bibi Kano ba? Si Asher din, gusto niya pinaglalaruan itong microphone. Ay, Ginoo ko na jutaan ni Asher. Hapit na di kan ayo share. Share, we gonna, what we call that, take a bath soon. You stuff your back there. Tama na to day lagay na natin doon. And then, nagdala na extra ng battery nito day. Kasi rechargeable yung battery natin. So, nagdala din ako para hindi tayo maubusan ng baterya. And then, lagay ko na lang dyan. So, nandyan na mga inday yung ating mga dadalhin. And, ngayon is, papaliguan ko muna si Bibi Kano dahil nandyan yung batuta natin. We gonna take a bath, bata. We gonna take a bath. We gonna take a bath. Shush, ang dagway. Shush, wak na dyan, nagbitay-bitay na dahil. Hello mga inday. Ngayon mga inday, nandito na tayo sa, sa road. On the way na tayo dahil papunta sa aking kapatid. This is our first trip na nandito kami sa Amerika. Of course, to my driver, sobrang gwapo. Gwapo. And then yung ating mga anakins, hello!
Naghaket country Kyle.
Lots of food.
Yes, we're full of snacks, But don't worry, once we get there, we're gonna steal some. We're gonna empty the fridge,
Be ready.
Yeah, we've planned on doing it ever since.
Don't put a lock.
Yeah.
Yeah, even before you got
We
here.
should, yeah,
we
exactly.
talked about this.
Yeah, that's right.
This is the moment, the moment has come.
Moment has come.
So now we got the chance to do it.
Yeah, that's right.
Don't worry, guys. You guys will be coming with us as well.
Yeah, that's right. You gonna be witness.
Yes, we're gonna all buy masks, and then we're gonna be sneaking inside.
That's right.
Get ready their snacks.
Yeah, that's right.
It's gonna be gone. It'll be
Head
gone.
west on East Pearson Road.
You know what?
In a
Person
quarter
road.
mile, turn left onto Crescent Drive.
Anyways, we'll see you guys over
Crossing
there.
road. Okay, see you. driver day. Wala na ko day. Super ano light.
Let's say 7 Series BMW with the 350, you know, twin turbo engine, a large luxury car, one, because 7 Series, you know. But that's going to be the 750, you know, and then they do have a 6-cylinder.
Continue on I-69 West for 54 miles.
Yeah, that's right. So
54 miles, so we got to go into the sun for the next 54 miles.
Jeez, that's
What's the speed limit on this highway?
70. We are 70.
We haven't been in this. We haven't been in this highway, right?
Oh, it's 75.
Yeah. Why
That
is it
means-
70 here?
That means you can get away with 80.
It's 75 now. We start here. In my phone, it's 75 now.
That should be, what, 79?
Yeah, you're 79 now. Okay. Koji said this what we're doing right now. Before this is just only a dream,
Yeah.
and now it's happened. It's happening.
Well, look,
Oh wow, it's a big one.
huge.
Yeah, it's super huge
Yeah, you
lamp.
filmed it.
But it's, you cannot really see it because it's like there is a tree in the front.
It was a good opening there. It's too bad. Other side the same way.
Yeah,
Not
lots
quite
of
as bad.
farm.
We're
But
gonna run
it's
into
more
a lot
wider
of that,
here.
when we're going down here through Indiana, you're gonna see real big ones.
Wow.
I always like to look back on the farms and find the farmhouses.
Oh yeah, I bet there's like a bunch of like hidden gems in their barn.
Yeah. And you'll notice a lot of them would dig out ponds on
Yeah.
their land. And they have all kinds of stuff. There's one
Exactly.
when you're driving through Ohio on 75, they got nice dock and
Are we gonna pass
floaties.
Ohio?
No,
Oh, we're not gonna get close to it.
no. Normally I don't go this route. Normally I'm doing 75.
Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Just started.
Ang lalaki ng mga farm dito day. Sobrang ano day ba? Malapad. Sobrang lapad ng kanilang mga farm dito day.
It's across the whole country, love.
Wow, so beautiful though.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Just got crops growing everywhere as far as you can see
Wow.
for 5,000 miles
Yeah,
down
that's
every
crazy.
highway.
Yeah.
Red like Asians are to rice.
Yeah, that's right.
Red. And you ask the question why we're so fat, that's 80% of it right there.
Hoy. So ngayon mga Inday, nag-stop muna kami dito na ano day, kumain ng dinner day.
I'm gonna need you.
Wala pa kami ni dinner. Why you need me?
Well, we're ordering food, love.
Okay. Nandito tayo sa KFC. Burger daw.
Want a burger?
Yeah. Yeah.
Onion rings or fries?
Without price, just burger. For Asher price.
Fries. How are you
Ay,
doing?
nuggets lang, nuggets.
Good. Let me see. Can I get a number? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna need 4 of your number 3s.
4 number 3 combos?
Yeah.
Gotcha. What size for all of those?
Large.
Large for everyone?
Yeah. Can I get one of those with onion rings?
Nuggets
One of
lang.
those onion?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And then on the drinks, 1 diet, 2 Dr. Peppers, and 1 Sprite.
Okay, so 1 diet, 2 Dr. Peppers, and 1 Sprite.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Ay, may. Wala. Nandiyan na may ano, ATM?
Alrighty, anything else today?
No, that'll do it.
Alrighty. Everything look good on the screen?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nuggets lang.
What? Oh, I'm sorry. Can I get? Is this for?
Asher.
Okay, I'm sorry. Can I get? What do you got for chicken nuggets here?
For chicken nuggets? Gotcha. We've got 4, 8, and 16 piece unless you're going for a kid meal.
Just do the 16.
The 16?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Anything else today?
No, that's it.
That's it.
Any sauce for that?
Some barbecue or ranch.
We've got barbecue and ranch.
Can I get both?
Okay. Alrighty. Anything else today?
No, that's it.
64, 61 at the window.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You hold that 20.
Dito tayo sa KFC.
Which is pretty much just.
Kain muna tayo, Day. Kain muna tayo and then burgers.
Yeah.
Daming french fries, Day. French fries at saka onion.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Dipping sauces.
Yeah, and dipping sausage. Ah, God. Ah,
Yeah, that burger's crazy, right? It's just ridiculous. I mean, who makes something like that? That is irresponsible.
and then sa anak ko. And then
I wonder
Asher
how
is
many
there.
calories this is.
I'd say that sandwich alone's probably 1,500.
Oh shit.
I mean, it's got to be at least 1,000. Let's see, we got the bacon double cheeseburger from Burger King. So, how many calories is the Bacon King burger at Burger King? It should be 1,087.
What?
So,
Or something
Yeah.
like 2,000.
we got that to look forward to.
Yummy, yummy.
Time we end or empty a Jackie Lou.
Nakatagay kong french fries si Asher na.
The barbecue?
Jesus name.
Yeah.
What kind of burger this one?
The kind that has bacon, cheese,
You get that.
double.
Wala.
Give it to Fuji.
Bacon. You. Yeah.
Wow.
You don't want? Nakaing bacon nak be. I'm not eating bacon. You know that.
Fuji, that's double bacon. That'd be insane.
Asher can eat bacon. Love Asher? No. Ayaw hatagi si manghod yung bacon.
No.
Brent's the bottom one. I'll take this one.
Okay, there's one more here.
Alright. There.
But I was
This one. This one's best. Thank you.
Boy.
You took the best part off the burger.
Exactly.
No, I'm good with this one. Jesus. Dahil, tingnan nyo dahil. Ang laki ng burger.
Now this
Oh my God.
would be offensive.
Yummy.
Now I know why people get fired easily.
Uh-huh.
Good God.
Yep. Doesn't take long to figure it out.
No, definitely.
The grocery stores, the potato chips, the fast food.
Okay.
All of the like good stuff are like cheaper here than like the healthy stuff. You know?
Yeah, people are not encouraged.
Madam, nasa na bus mo na, top mo na.
Uh-huh.
At the right.
Yeah.
There's a big camper bus.
Oh, wow.
This car's just gonna be a wreck time we get there. Friends would be laid over on the pillows.
Yeah, that's right.
In a quarter mile, use the right lane to take the I-69 West ramp.
Okay. Ngayon day, tapos na kaming kumain day sa aming dinner day. So ngayon, drive ulit tayo day. This is will be a long drive.
5 hours.
Yeah. Like almost 5 hours driving if you are not
Use the
stopped.
right lane to take the I-69 West ramp.
Right lane
Then
daw
merge
lang.
onto I-69 West.
Lagi, binok.
That's right.
Yung asawa natin nandyan, yung asawa ko, yung anak ko
I
nandyan.
think Asham might have blown already.
Oy. Kasi?
Hey, God, see, he got a bunch of nuggets in his head. He's got 3 nuggets.
Yeah, you can't have 3 nuggets. You just stuff his face.
Look at him go. Asham, you're greedy, man.
Yeah, that's right.
Greedy, man.
Yeah, that's right.
Greedy, greedy.
Continue on I-69 West for 32 miles.
Yay! Drive ulit kami, day. Here we are again, driving. Beautiful, beautiful road.
There are
There's
police
police
reported
ahead.
ahead.
Police ahead. There's a police ahead daw lang.
What is speed?
Oh, there's someone's parading now.
Yeah, that's right. There is a sunset. Sunset na dahil dito dahil. May sunset na. Sunset. Diyan o. Sunset.
They have a fly in the car?
Yeah. Yeah, I just seen it.
Yeah. I cannot stop myself not to film. It's so just beautiful creation.
Yeah, now see,
right?
next rest area 1 mile away.
Ah,
And then
yeah.
the next one after that will be 61 miles away.
Wow.
So they're letting you know it's going to be 61 miles if you don't stop at this one.
Oh, the one needs to be
There are police reported
police
ahead.
dalap. There's a
We're
police
fine, huh?
ahead.
I'm keeping us legal.
Okay, good job. Good job, Ana. Kasi yung map namin dahil ano kasi, yung mag-remind pa kung may police ba.
Yeah, no speeding.
Yeah, no
Got the family in the
overspeeding. Yeah, that's right.
Nilabas mo anak.
O, pasagdahin na nak. Ay, di na na siya magkawang busog na siya nak.
We have $1,000. Just $1 bills.
Yeah,
For machines.
that's right.
Wonder if the coffee machine works.
Ah, yeah. You try lang. We'll stop. Mag-stop tayo dito sa rest area dai.
Semis that way. Oh, whoa.
What happened? Car here. That is tractor.
Yeah.
Head toward I-69 West. In half a mile,
She's
merge
just
onto
trying to put us back on
I-69
the highway.
West.
Yeah. I gonna.
What a
See, look at this one. Look.
Oh, wow.
You're missing.
Ah, yeah. So pretty. I have my video though.
Whoa.
Yep, these are, look at the forest area over here.
Yeah.
Just blocks the highway right off. And we don't want there.
Yeah, that's
Over
right.
here.
There is the truck stop. Yeah,
There's the picnic tables and grills if you want to cook
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, that one there.
Yep, there's a trash can for dumping off
Ah,
your
yeah.
trash. Got them up
There
there.
you go.
Pop machines, snack machines, bathrooms,
I
and
gonna
maybe
pee.
a coffee.
I gonna pila. I put my cell phone here. Re-enter.
Kuji, you hang out for a minute.
You hang out for a minute na.
You
I will throw away the
watch
trash.
them. Let me be with your mom so she doesn't get abducted and end up in a van somewhere.
Hi!
I bet she's gonna get abducted for like sister. Hey, I got a kid here. Go
not like that. I'm not a kid, gani. Dahil tapo natin yung basura, dahil. My love, you still want to eat that French fries or just put here? Okay, this will not good anymore later. Tapo natin tong basura, dahil. Dito, dahil. And then, let's go. Pasok tayo dyan. Yung adjusawa ko dahil nandyan. Adjusawa ko. Ito yung ano nila na yun. Oh, ang ganda na. May love, beautiful flowers, may love. Oh, white color. Yeah, it's same of us, our flower in the house, but that's violet, I think. Ito day, pasok tayo day. Maybe they have coffee. There's no coffee? Ah, that's sad. No coffee. Ah, yeah. My lover is the pig here.
We're not gonna. Man, so we're not.
There, woman here. Pasok tayo sa toilet ba? Ah, yeah! There's coffee machine. Coffee. Maybe Koji will want coffee because, you know, Koji likes coffee. Koji will out here later. And then may mga chicheria dito dahil pa. And then may mga drinks dito. And then this, ito sa kabilang side ay ito yung mga big truck. Big, what's the truck lagi day? Walmart, malalaking ano ba? Truck. And then ay punta na tayo ng against the light toilet. My love, I gonna go in the toilet na. Okay. We're gonna go inside the toilet. Hoy, yung toilet nila dito, day, parang ano man, day. Yung iba, hindi maganda ang pagkagamit. Toilet muna ako, mga inday. Tapos na tayo nag-toilet, day. And then, nandito yung jisawa ko. How much the ano, love? The coffee? Cappuccino, please. 6. Black with sugar. Did you get pork, Koji?
That one's no good.
Did you
It's
try?
just watery.
Yeah. Sabi ng asawa ko dahil hindi daw yan, ano dahil, hindi maganda yung lasa ba? Hindi maganda yung lasa.
It makes me sad.
Yung ismisasan. Sad daw yung asawa ko dahil. Ayun, maganda talaga siya dahil. My love, oh, it's beautiful, my love. Oh, look around the trees. You know, the trees. Ganda talaga siya. Ganda dito dahil. Ganda talaga. Ang ganda. Punta na tayo ng sasakyan. Kasi mahaba-haba pa tong biyahe na to, day. And then, yung coffee nila, day, hindi siya masyadong maganda yung coffee nila. So, kaya sabi ng asawa ko, hindi na lang namin kukunan si Koji ng coffee. Mag-i-stop na lang kami sa next stop dito, day. And then, ngayon, ay, tara, let's go. Biyahe na tayo, mga inday. Biyahe na tayo. Let's go. Nandito na tayo, day.
Well, that's not a
It's
good
not
idea.
good one.
Yeah.
It's not a good coffee machine.
Don't slam me, but
I
Why?
would stay away from the coffee.
because the coffee.
But if you want to get snacks when you're in there, or you or Prince, there's got snack pop machines.
If you want a snack, love, where you get that? We have drinks here already.
Yeah, I think I'll pass.
Okay, so you're staying. You're not getting out.
Yeah.
Okay.
We will stop in the
Gotta
next
go
stop.
there. It's already 8.
Yeah, we're not gonna make it. We don't seem to be very good at this. We're doing the scenic thing.
The coffee.
It's just, yep.
That their coffee is not good.
I'll struggle with that in a second.
We will just
Box.
stop in the next stop.
around anymore, Gucci.
It's not gonna spill.
Not at the moment.
That's quite risky out here.
That's right. Let's go.
Yeah, that's living on the edge.
Sunsets. That's beautiful.
Yeah, she got hung up behind some clouds. Thank goodness, otherwise we'd be blinded.
That's right. Oh my God. Day, ang ganda talaga
Look,
dito,
look,
Day.
there's a trees out there.
Sobrang ganda,
That's
Day.
awesome.
Yung farm, Day. Oh, ang laki ng
It
farm
just keeps
hanggang sa dulo.
rolling and rolling.
Oh my God. So
Now we're crossing another super highway underneath us.
Wow. Look at that, the
This is how you
sunset.
keep traffic moving, guys. This is how you know, it's the money line. All these trucks are moving goods and services.
Wow. Ang ganda talaga, Day. Mamamangha ka. Ito yung ano, this is the good thing when you do travel. You can see beautiful, different kind of beautiful nature, beautiful things, you know. Yeah.
We're on
It's amazing.
old US 27.
Yeah, that's
What's the
right.
phone saying?
Is
You're good?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Oh my God. Day, lahat yan, Day. Trucks yan lahat, Day. Mga truck, Day. Uy, ginoo ko dahil sa lahat. Jesus.
Yeah, they basically just bought a cornfield.
Wow.
Put
Yeah.
their trucks.
Yeah, that's right. And then they put a concrete and then here you go.
I don't think there's any concrete.
There's no oh my God. If there is a rain lab, that will be like not
Money.
yeah. That's not maybe that is there is a concrete ay Asher. Dahil si Asher dahil palagi niyang ino-open yung window dahil alam na niya dahil ginagamit niya yung paa niya sa pag-open ng window. Ay nako, Shilton.
I got scared real quick.
That's right. Nandyan yung bata, hindi niyo makita dahil kasi ano na siya, ang oras dito sa amin dahil is 9:28 in the evening na mga inday.
We should have been there.
Yeah, that's right. And then ito yung weather natin, may araw pa dahil, may liwanag pa siya dahil ba? May liwanag pa. Let's go.
Oh Lord, you're telling me we're going.
It's just like, damn, I don't even, is that what that looks
They
like?
cannot see that way. They cannot see the camera. Asher kasi dahil umiiyak si Bibi Kano dahil kasi yung paa niya dahil ginaganyan niya yung window, mirror ng window dahil ba ginagamit niya yung paa para ma-down yung window ay palagi niyang ginagawa. So sabi ko sa kanya stop and then umiiyak siya kasi nakaintindi na siya ng stop dahil then umiiyak siya and then that's why we are crying together dahil umiyak kaming lahat
Yeah.
para huminto sa pag-iyak si Bibi Kano at huminto naman siya dahil again the lights wala na dahil madilim na talaga dahil in my camera it's not really ano love it's not really dark in my camera love.
That's your left.
Yeah. Wow, beautiful. Still beautiful though. So beautiful. Mga inday, nag-stop na naman kami ulit dito sa ibang car stop. Nandiyan yung Diyos ako dahil sasakyan nandiyan sa kanya. And then let's go. Let's go. Oh, maybe they have a better coffee here.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, let's see. We'll find out that.
What happened to your son?
Mga inday, yung coffee machine nila day, hindi nag-ano day. Hindi gumagana
There
day.
would have been another cup of coffee without it.
Yeah, that's right. Hindi na gumagana yung coffee nila. Maybe in the next stop, it's working.
You gotta stop at a McDonald's. Go to McDonald's.
Ah, yeah, in McDonald's, it's more better, my love. And you order a big one. You know? Yeah, dito na tayo. And then, pasok na tayo.